Hey guys, I've got a beginner real estate tip. A lot of my clients often ask me, in what aspects should I be investing in real estate? Should I be flipping houses? Should I be buying rental houses? Should I be doing apartments? What should I be doing? And my biggest answer generally is about the flipping versus buy and hold. I am a huge proponent of buy and hold investing because I think that's the way to actually accumulate wealth over time, because real estate is not a get rich quick scheme. It's a get rich over time. And in order to do that, you have to hold on to the properties so that they can appreciate and take advantage of all the different levers that go on when you're owning an asset. As far as flipping goes, I recommend flipping when you need cash flow. If you need to use it to get into your next deal, if you need to use it to live off of, that's the reason I guess you would flip. And not disparaging flippers. I mean, I know a lot of flippers, they do great business, they do great work. I just think long term, it's not a strategy for true wealth accumulation unless they're obviously putting their money to work. When they're bringing that income in, then they're investing in buy and hold. Most flippers I know do buy and hold investing as well. So they flip for cash flow, they buy and hold for overall wealth. And that's kind of the answer to it. So if you have a W-2 job or steady income coming in that you're happy with and that's not burdensome, then by all means, I would just go straight into buy and hold, because you're simply flipping for cash flow most of the time. So there's my tip for today. Have a great weekend.